Now that we have all these great ingredients, we're gonna make something special.
Yes, we're gonna make a very easy Greek traditional Peloponnesian dish from the area here. It's called Kagianas. We're gonna saute an onion.
It's like a red onion? Does it matter what kind?
No, but red onions are sweeter here in Greece. I prefer them. Gonna add the garlic. Cut into sticks. 1/4 of a bell pepper. We use 3 colors. Okay. To speed up the procedure, I cut the tomato into cubes.
So how many tomatoes do you think that?
5 tomatoes, about 1 kilo.
Okay. And that will cook down for how long do you think?
Quarter of an hour.
Okay.
It's going to be enough, I think.
Okay. Wow, they've really cooked down a lot. Perfect.
There, now they're ready.
So
we're going to put some seasoning. We're not going to add too much salt because the tomatoes are salted. About a pinch of oregano. And this is bukovo. It's chili flakes. They're Greek chili and they're hot.
I use that on pizza.
On pizza? Do you like it hot?
I do. I like it hot.
Okay.
You can make it hot.
Okay.
It's so enjoyable watching you do food.
Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to break the eggs in the tomato sauce, and we're going to cook the egg whites.
Oh, okay. So you're basically going to poach them?
Yeah, we're going to poach them.
Would you ever put a cover on that, or would you just let it steam by itself?
Yeah, no, I've never made it.
You haven't done it that way?
No, I haven't done it, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Yes, it's gonna. The steam is gonna.
That's right. Yeah. I mean, if I poach eggs, I do that.
Yeah, you're right.
So I just wondered.
We're gonna put some feta inside as well.
Feta.
Yeah. It's about 80 grams.
So is all the feta here from sheep? It's all sheep milk, or is it any
goat? It's
sheep
and goat.
And goat as well.
And goat, yes. You can get some with cow's milk as well, but this is a traditional one.
I think anything with cheese is better anyway.
And our feta is amazing. Would you like to try it?
Sure. Oh, it is. It's so creamy. That looks great.
Ready.
We're ready?
No, we don't want the yolk to harden, so I think it's ready now. We want the egg yolk to be
You want it
soft.
to be soft so that you
can
combine
break
it
on top with the bread.
Okay, so the history of this dish is really interesting because it's not. I mean, it's eggs, so you would think it was breakfast, but you said it could be any time of day. So
it's a very a peasant dish.
A peasant dish?
Yes, in Peloponnese, the peasants, everybody in their house had chickens, and they had a small garden with vegetables. So it's a very easy dish. A few tomatoes, a few eggs from the chickens, and there you are. You have an easy meal. God. You like it?
Yeah, because I got the heat from that pepper. The eggs, such good eggs too. When the tomatoes are so juicy. Oh wow.
You like it hot?
I do. I do. I think spice adds a lot to dishes, and you even get the tang from the feta cheese in that.
Yeah, you can get it.
Oh,
sweet, salty, tangy, hot.
Yeah, it's all your taste buds are going. So this is so great, and you're going to do your cooking classes. So what got you into cooking to begin with?
Actually, I started very young, at a very young age, because my mother, during the period we lived in England, suffered from rheumatism, and she had problems using her hands.
Oh, so you had.
And as I was the youngest child, and the eldest were married and left the house, I was her assistant.
Oh, it's a little apprentice, sous chef.
Whatever she needed, she would call me. Anything that needed help, I would be there for her in the kitchen. And I learned how to cook from a very young age.
That's great.
Cooking was something I loved from my childhood.
And you're good.
I decided to make a blog. and interact with people. And later on, I made my first cookbook.
That's wonderful.
That was such a tasty dish, but now I'm feeling just a bit thirsty.